Hello everyone, this is Journey and she will be showing us how to make a simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So what do you do first?
I'm gonna put some bread in the two bread
Where do you put the bread?
in the toaster.
Oh, how many pieces?
2.
You get 2?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Yes, it
You sure you'll finish those?
is. Yes.
I think you should put it both on that side.
Okay.
And then, oh, you're so smart. Okay, now what? We have to make sure the number is at the right spot. Oh, no, not one. So right there, right? Now what?
This.
And how long should we wait
5.
until the toast
Pops.
So now we're just gonna wait.
Whoa.
And while we wait, we're gonna. What do you want to do while we wait?
I play a game.
What game?
Tag.
Tag.
No. God, what a nosy.
You on the Rosie?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna pause the video, but once the toast pops, we will be back.
Okay.
The toast popped, right?
No. Yes.
So now what do we do? Maybe we should get a plate out first, right? Wait, put it back in. Get a plate out. Hold it tight so it doesn't crash on the floor. Alright, now what?
In the toast.
Should we do one at a time? Or no?
No.
No, we're gonna do a sandwich, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do we add first?
We are this and this.
Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start with peanut butter. And so, can you open this?
Yes.
Ooh. She's strong. Okay, so now what?
We put the bread on the peanut butter.
Other way around. The peanut butter goes on the bread, right? I was a little confused. Oh, don't let the dog eat it. One tip. Hopefully you learned your lesson. I think you should keep it on the plate while you... Never mind. You're the one giving the tutorial.
No.
Make sure you add a lot of peanut butter if you're really hungry. It'll fill you up more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got this.
But if you're not that hungry, don't add a lot. Because it will make you feel sick. Doesn't it, Journey?
Yeah.
You add too much.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, let's just move it a little bit over here.
Whoa.
So it can be in the light. Yeah, so it looks like that right now. Spread it evenly. And just one more scoop. Giant scoop.
Giant.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a lot. Whoa.
I think that should be good. Ooh. Okay. So when you're done with that, you have to scrape the sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay, scrape it. Oh my goodness. Scrape on the other side too. Okay.
This.
First close up the peanut butter. Right? Yeah. This is gonna be so yummy, guys. Okay. Make sure you close it all the way so it doesn't spill.
Wow.
Nice, don't come and eat it. Alright, so the peanut butter lid is being difficult. So we're gonna deal with that later. Right. You have to explain what you're doing.
I can't.
Hold the camera. Get your fingers clean. Put it around your wrist. Hold it like that. Nicely. Okay. Okay. This is Journey.
This
She's
is
gonna be a future vlogger.
and
So get out a new knife.
a
We'll
knife.
hand it to Journey because she's better at it. Oh.
I'm making a peanut butter sandwich.
Make sure you do not mix
Yeah.
the peanut butter with the jelly like she just did. Like that. Don't let it touch the peanut butter because then the jelly will get all moldy. Oh. Yeah, I can put some over here.
Ooh, this is
As you can see, Journey is a natural pro at making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And now just like, sorry for stealing it. Go like that, just spread it around a little bit.
Oh, it's
Ooh. Now hold the toast.
yeah.
Hold the toast. I think that should be good, right?
Yeah.
So
Can I
Now?
see it?
for the reveal, gonna clean that up, and then you put the two pieces together. What do you do? What do you do now?
Put it on another toast.
And then
And then we put it out in our skin.
can you try it? Let's see. Is it good?
Yeah.
Taste it.
oh my, a sandwich?
Mmm.
Mm.
Yeah. That's how you make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Woo!